break down the kipping pull up. Alright guys, so key points of performance as we get into another pull up drill. So we're trying to get the basics of the kipping and how to be efficient at that. So I like to think about hollow body and arch to get you into your rhythm and then to get you into your kips. So when you mount the pull up bar, think hollow arch. That means foot in front, foot behind. Looks like this. Hollow arch. Hollow arch. The part that you need to have the most amount of focus on whenever you go to your arch, I'm actually pulling myself with my lats through. Pull. It's like I'm yanking the bar back. That's going to help begin to generate your kip. And then let's just link together a few kips. Hollow arch, pull, pull, pull. Notice my toes are together. My midline is tight. And if you're familiar with V-ups and arch-ups and all that, everything should be in that nice hollow body shape the entire time. After you've mastered the kip, we're going to start to raise your knees up a little bit. Kip, knee raise. Being a little exaggerated here, because what's coming next is for you to pop your hip up. So you go knee, pop your hip, and that's what's going to help you pull to the bar. So you got your kips, the knee, hip and pull. So I like to think knee, hip, pull. Knee, hip, pull. Because if you're doing this drill, it's because we're trying to still develop some strength. So we got to use momentum or power to help propel you up. Think about the knee, hip, pull, and how to link the pull-ups together is all at the top of the pull-up bar. After your pull-up, you have to intentionally push yourself away so that when you come back on the bar, you're going back through. I see this happen all the time, where people get up and then they come straight down because they didn't push themselves away. If we're trying to kip and we're trying to link reps, the kipping is the first and most important piece. So we have to keep that momentum from here, away, through, knee, hip. Master the kip first, bring your knees up, knee, pop your hip, knee, hip, pull. That's the kipping pull up, get after it.